To create a YouTube account, you must first sign up in Gmail. Just type Gmail sign up on the Google search bar and then that's it. And then you will see create a Gmail account, press that. Then you can now use create an account and then for my personal use, choose for my personal use and then fill up all the necessary fields, gender, birthday, etc. This is just a sample email address. And then you can now fill up the username, the password. I'll be skipping the password and then proceed. After successfully registering a Gmail account, you can now go to youtube.com on the Google search bar, type youtube.com, or you can just go to the app and then press the human icon, and then just sign in your account, your Gmail account. And then you can now press create an account. After that, you must fill out all the necessary fields and that's it. You now have a YouTube channel. In starting a YouTube channel, you also must have the skill in video editing. Here, I personally use the Spring video editing application on my Android device. And here is where I edit my videos. Lastly, your video must have a niche. What is a niche? It is your own topic. It is the subject of the topic, your main idea, or your concept of the video. I advise you to choose only one niche or topic on your videos so that algorithm will be noticing your videos and suggest it to people or audiences. A channel with a niche is faster to grow than a channel doing random videos or has random niche. You must have the mastery of niche so that you will not run out of ideas or contents. That's all. Thank you, goodbye, and subscribe to my channel.